Today is Wednesday, August 20th, and this is the Bay Blend from WUSF. I'm Sky LeBron. On today's blend, I caught up with a Zephyrhills man I interviewed 6 months after Hurricane Milton flooded his home. When I talked to him back in February, his home was still flooded months later. Now I'm seeing how he's rebuilding his life. Plus, I'll have some things for you to do tonight and tomorrow. And before that, the news headlines. If you got a new Florida driver's license lately, just know that you also have to update your voter registration info. A new law gives your license a randomized ID number to prevent fraud, but Brad Ashwell with All Voting is Local says it could also create some new complications people don't know about.
Voters need to know that they need to update their registration to reflect this new number, or it could impact them if they try to vote by mail or if they sign a ballot petition. It's just something that's going to sneak up on voters if they're not aware of it.
This whole random ID thing started last year, so if you've updated since then, just double check your voter registration info. There's a pilot project in South Florida that's helping doulas figure out if a pregnant person is prepared for extreme weather. Doulas are non-medical supporters who guide a person through pregnancy and labor. Florida Clinicians for Climate Action is helping them better understand heat exposure during pregnancies. Cheryl Holder is the organization's co-founder. She says the doulas figure out what each client's heat exposure situation is like.
We're able to buy portable AC and give them for their whole pregnancy.
Holder says they're trying to make the program a statewide initiative. Florida is suing two school textbook companies, McGraw-Hill and Savvis Learning Company, over what it says is overpriced books. Governor Ron DeSantis claims the companies sold textbooks higher than the base rate nearly 6,000 times.
Those resources should be going to the school districts, to the teachers, and doing ways that are going to be productive, not to pad the profits of textbook companies who are not following the letter of the law.
The companies have already put out statements denying the allegation and say they're going to defend themselves in court. Earlier this year, around February, I went to Don Ferguson's house. He's a Zephyrhills resident, and more than 6 months after Hurricane Milton had hit his home, it was still flooded. The drainage pipes behind his home are covered with debris, so when all that rain fell, it had nowhere to go, flooding him out of his house along with some of his neighbors. I just went back a couple weeks ago to talk to Don. He was wearing the same graphic tee as last time.
I was? No kidding.
Yeah, you're wearing the same exact shirt.
It still holds true.
Brains are awesome. I wish everybody had one. Since February, the floodwaters have gone away. Don has also gotten more financial help from FEMA. He's parked a trailer in front of his place where he can stay temporarily, but now comes the hard part, making his home livable again.
I had to redo all this part of the floor. I finished this one yesterday. I had to put all this back in.
How much time is this taking you every day?
Well, at 71 years old, I'm good for about 4 to 5 hours, and I'm pretty much done for the day.
Have you been doing largely this stuff by yourself, or have you gotten help?
No, just me. I'm trying to save every dime I got from them for this kind of stuff and do all this myself. I don't have enough money to have someone come in and do it. So I'm here doing what I can do. Luckily, I know how to do it. Now it's the body trying to keep up, not the mind.
When it came to like the home repair stuff to help make some of these changes, how much did FEMA end up giving you?
The estimate was $65,000 to repair everything, and FEMA said they max out at $40,000, and so I've gotten 33, and I'm trying to get eligible for some more.
How long until you can live in this place again, you think?
I'm hoping within 3 months I can get back in if we don't get flooded out again.
If I could get into your head, like, what's your state of mind right now?
I'm just actually being tired. I'm so tired of working. This is supposed to be my retirement years, and I'm working harder now than I worked at work.
We're right now in the middle of hurricane season. That got you feeling on edge at all?
It's really heartbreaking. I see it coming, I go, please, Lord, please, Lord. So far, we've been lucky as far as getting a real hard rain, and it's not one thing, it's everything. And that's what makes it so overwhelming.
You still got any hobbies? Anything you just do for fun?
Yeah, it's all out there flooded in the barn. My cars, my motorcycles.
No new hobbies?
Repair.
That's
Home
a new hobby.
repair. It's not a hobby. It's a kind of a job that was forced on me.
You think no matter what, you're going to spend the rest of your life here?
Oh, yeah. I don't know how much time I got left, but I've been here 20, and I figure maybe 10 more years of life in me, at least, I hope.
20, at least. You look good, dude. You don't look 71.
So, yeah.
Don told me he's trying to get the drainage behind his place cleared, but Pasco County says he owns that drainage, so it's his responsibility. Meanwhile, he says FEMA told him the county owns that drainage, and he can't get more money if it's county-owned. Right now, he's trying to figure out who exactly owns that drainage and how he's going to get the drain cleared or dredged before another hurricane hits. Tonight in Dunedin at Caledonia Brewing, there's bonsai and brews. You can create your own bonsai tree with no experience or tools. Real ones remember my feature on the Suncoast Bonsai Society back in June when the podcast was just getting started. Listen to the June 4th episode if you're interested in that. But what I learned is making bonsai is really cool and relaxing and something I'd do if I didn't have the overwhelming guilt whenever I killed a tree. If you're looking for a new hobby, this could help spark that. You'll need a ticket though. It'll run you $75. You ever want to learn to do a handstand? Well, Body Electric Yoga in St. Pete is hosting its straddle and press workshop to help people trust their hands more and learn some arm balancing techniques. It starts with handstand practice, so I imagine it's going to get harder than that, just trying to warn you a bit there. Tickets are $20 for the event, but I mean $20 to learn how to do a better handstand. You're pretty much stealing money at that point. And every first and third Thursday of the month, Kava Culture in South Tampa holds its painting night starting at 8. This is instructor-based, meaning there's artists there to guide you. Here's the coolest part. Painting is free with the purchase of a drink. You just have to reserve a spot beforehand. That's another Bay Blend for you. Just want to say a quick thanks to everyone who makes these episodes possible. Jackson Harp, the music man, Chandler Balcom, Warren Buckles, and Natalie Jarin, who are the reasons these episodes are properly uploaded and available every morning. Mary Shedden and Carl Lissiandrello, who make sure I'm not going off the rails every day. And Malia Leiden, Malika Hollist, and Alex Ebron for helping find events to talk about every week. I'm sure I'm missing someone, but thank you to everyone for helping make this pod thrive. We'll be back with another one tomorrow morning. I'll see you there.